Would you rather be Dwayne The Rock Johnson for a day or Dwayne Wade for a day? Breathe. You're Jamaican. This is embarrassing.
I choose The Rock. The reason why I choose The Rock is because The Rock has superhero tackles on the in belt. Dwayne Wade now on a superhero tackle. The Rock is Black Adam right now. He's got all those movies. He's had some nice co-stars and get some bad chicks. And he does pretty well. It's pretty fun. What you going so? It's just heat.
Oh God, no.
Yo, this up people. This one fire. Like Scotch bonnet. Worse than Scotch bonnet.
What
worse
kind
than
of peppers are in it?
Lava.
What kind of peppers are in it?
Just like hot chili peppers. You got and that's it.
Oh my God.
Oh no, yeah, red hot chili peppers. It's just red hot chili peppers.
Okay.
It's the spices that are in it.
Oh wow. Ice cream helps. Ice cream really helps. They're not lying on TV, y'all. It helps. Okay.
I'm not gonna finish that wing then.
All right.
Are you okay?
Wing.
Are you alright?
Me never mean for buying it so big. Alright. Next one. What's
So the next one
hurry up.
is
Hurry up.
Hellfire. Hot sauce. Cranked.
Is that the one in the face?
Yes, see the one with the face.
What are the peppers that are in it?
Carolina Reapers. And
Almost wipe my face with.
yes, people, keep your hand away from your face. Be safe out there. Don't be silly.
Okay.
Just Carolina Reapers. That's it.
All right. Ready? How can I bite this without using my mouth?
That's your teeth. That's your teeth.
But me no want my teeth touching either. My teeth are burn me right about now. I can smell it, okay?
Yeah, smell the garlic. I smell the garlic for sure.
The bomb is worse, man.
Mm-hmm.
The bomb is worse. And the bomb is worse.
The bomb is like instant boom. Hit you.
Yeah, boom, bomb. Oh.
This one creep up on you.
And your teeth actually do burn. I feel my teeth burning. Alright. Let's do it.
So my turn to ask you a question.
Yes.
So
this is much easier than the.
Would you rather eat your pizza that you make every day for a year, or eat the burgers that you make every day for a year?
Or the burgers that I make?
Yes. What would you rather? Again, people, check out Drain's pizza recipes on our channel. Hard.
My pizza or my burger. The thing is, I can make a good burger without. So this is like beef, chicken included, every type of
burger.
I guess you call the chicken one a chicken sandwich, but
Burger.
You know what? A pizza.
You choose pizza?
Yeah, I choose pizza. Yeah.
I can see that. I can understand that.
Yeah.
Pizzas that you have are pretty good.
Yeah. Alright. What are we doing?
So next, this is the last one.
The last one. And this is
the
called...
The hot one's the last dab. Apollo.
Okay.
So we're gonna do like what they do on the show?
Okay, let's do it. You know what? I'm Jamaican. I got this. I'm Jamaican. I can handle this. You're supposed to put it on the wing, no? Or are you supposed to put it on the board?
Yeah, put it on the board.
Okay, so we're not putting it on the wing. We're putting it on the board. And then we're going to dab. Okay? So here's the wing, sauced, and we're just gonna dip. Okay? Cheers! Wipe up. This one is 2 million. This is no. This is oh.
Where you go? Where you going?
No. Oh.
That one doesn't taste good.
One, it doesn't taste good. So it doesn't taste good. Two, it's really bad. It's really bad. It's really bad. It's really bad.
Oh, that hot. Ooh!
Don't do it!
God have mercy. Oh, people, that was an experience. We always see this one on YouTube. We always laugh at people and reaction. Yeah, they ain't joking.
Okay. All right.
It's not an act.
Oh no!
I'm a lip them a burn.
Oh no!
The top of my roof, top of my blah, 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 blah. The top of my mouth. Ah. Where you going? Come back. Come back. So people, that's it. We did the Hot Ones challenge.
Okay.
And
Guys,
we're back.
before I pass out, I want to say thank you for watching. This was
It's an experience.
It was an experience.
Yeah.
And please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe.
And tell a friend.
And oh my gosh. All right.